how to enable respawn vibration in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the left hand side, you'll be able to see the option called sound. Simply tap on sound. So on the top, there's an option called respawn vibration. So simply tap on it and enable it. So it has been enabled. So what does it do? So the device will automatically have vibration when you respawn after you die. So there will be some specific location that you can respawn into, and this will give you a hint so that you'll be able to know that you have respawned and you can continue the game too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.